ॐ नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तन्तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। भगवद्गीता चैप्टर 2 श्लोक 34 अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम् सम्भावितस्य चाकीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते। Starting from shloka 31, Krishna is talking about an incidental topic which is not the tatparya of Gita Shastra. It is not really included in the main teaching of Gita Shastra. It is incidental. The main topic that is being discussed now is Atma Jnana. But incidentally, Krishna talks about the necessity for Arjuna to fight the war. It is his swadharma. It is a good opportunity to exercise his swadharma. And if he performs his swadharma, he will get punya and he will go to Swarga. Therefore, a person like Arjuna, a Kshatriya like Arjuna, should feel lucky because he has an opportunity to perform his swadharma in the form of the war. And then Bhagavan explains what will happen if Arjuna retreats from the war. What will happen if Arjuna does not fight? What is he going to lose? This is being talked about from 33. Tataswadharmam kirtincha hitva papamavapsyasi. And the same thing continues. Akirtinchapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtihi मरणादतिरिच्यते भूतानि referring to the people. Bhutani means beings, all beings, not only human beings, even devatas are included. Te avyayam akirtin chapi kathayishyanti. They will talk about your infamy, your ill fame. Arjuna ran away from the battle. He will get an ill fame. And it will continue for a long time. Avyayam akirtim. A long-lasting infamy. Kathayishyanti. Te means tava. Tava avyayam akirtincha kathayishyanti. They will talk about. So why infamy is not acceptable? Krishna says, for an honorable person, for a respectable person, for a dignified person, infamy is worse than death. Sambhavitasya. For a man of dignity, akirtihi, ill fame, maranat atirichyate, is worse than death. Therefore, even at the cost of death, one should avoid getting ill fame. See the bhashya. न केवलम स्वधर्म कीर्ति परित्यागः अकीर्तिंचापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते तव अव्ययां दीर्घकालां न केवलम स्वधर्म कीर्ति परित्यागः. If you do not fight, you will anyway lose your swadharma and you will lose your fame. Losing fame means henceforth nobody will talk about Arjuna as a hero. That is losing fame. न केवलम स्वधर्म कीर्ति परित्यागः. Not just losing of name, losing of fame and swadharma. In addition to that, he will get akirti also. Akirtin chapi, cha api also. Bhutani, the beings, the people, te avyayam akirtim. Te is equal to tava, your. Avyayam is equal to dirgha kalam. Dirgha kalaha yasyaha sa dirgha kala. Qualifying akirti. Kirti is strilinga. Akirti is also strilinga. Therefore, dirgha kalam, strilinga. Bahuvrihi samasa. Kathayishyanti. they will speak about. Dharmatma Shuraha Ityevamadibihi Gunaihi Sambhavitasya cha Akirtihi Maranat Atirichyate. Sambhavitasya, an honored person, is called Sambhavita. And Arjuna is Sambhavitaha. How he is Sambhavitaha? Dharmatma. He is a Dharmatma. It is one Sambhavana, an honor for Arjuna. He was known as a man of dharma who performed his swadharma very well. It was one of Arjuna's greatness. And the second is Shuraha, another great quality of Arjuna. He was Shuraha. He was a brave man. He was brave. Ityevamadibihi gunaihi. He had many such qualities. And because of all such qualities, he was Sambhavitaha. He was honored in the society. He was well known for many great qualities in the society. And for such a Sambhavitaha, an honorable person, Akirtihi Maranat Atirichyate. Akirti is worse than death. Sambhavitasya cha Akirtehe Varam Maranam Ityarthaha. Akirti is worse than death. It means that Marana, death, is better than Akirti. Sambhavitasya cha Akirtehe. For a Sambhavita, Akirtehe Maranam Varam. Marana, death, is better than ill fame. Ityarthaha. This is the purport of Krishna's statement. Kincha. Some more loss associated with retrieval from the war. Bhayadranaduparatam Mansyante tvam maharathaha Yeshan tvam bahumataha Bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Maharathaha, the great warriors. Tvam bhayad ranat uparatam mansyante. They will think that you have run away from the battlefield on account of fear. They will not understand that you felt compassion and that is why you left the battlefield. They will not think. especially your enemies. Duryodhana. If Arjuna runs away from the battlefield, what will Duryodhana say? See, he is a coward. He ran away. He doesn't dare to fight. That is what Duryodhana will say. Do you like it? Maharathaha, the Maharathas, the great warriors who have assembled here. Tvam, you, bhayad ranat uparatam mansyante. They will think that you have withdrawn from the war because of fear. Yeshanchatvam bahumato bhutva laghavam yasyasi. Yesham Maharathana, of which Maharathas, Tvam Bahumataha, earlier, even now, you are held at high esteem. All the Maharathas, they know very well that Arjuna is a great bowman, great hero. Therefore, Arjuna is Bahumataha, held at high esteem by all the Maharathas. Even Duryodhana is aware of it, though he will not say. So these Maharathas who are holding you at high esteem, if you run away from the battlefield, you will become cheap in front of them. You will become lowly in front of them. Laghavam yasyasi. You will get slighted. They will lose all the value, all the respect for you. Kincha bhayat karnadibhyaha ranat yuddhat uparatam nivrittam mansyante चिंतयिष्यन्ति न कृपया इति त्वां महारथाः दुर्योधन प्रभृतयः येषाञ्च त्वं दुर्योधनादीनां बहुमतः बहुभिः गुणैः युक्तः इत्येवं बहुमतः भूत्वा पुनः यास्यसि लाघवं लघुभावं भयात्, because of fear. Fear of who? Karnadibhyaha. Fear of Karna and other people. Karna, Bhishma, Drona, etc. Ranat is equal to Yuddhat, from the battle. Uparatam is equal to Nivrittam, withdrawn, retreated. Mansyante is equal to Chintayishyanti. They will think so. Na kripaya, not because of kripa, not because of compassion. They will not understand that you have withdrawn because of compassion. इति त्वाम महारथाः. महारथाः इज इक्वल टू दुर्योधन प्रभृतयः, the great warriors of the enemy forces. That is why he mentions Duryodhana. Mainly the enemy forces will interpret it that way. Their interpretation will be bhayadranadu-parataha. Yeshancha, okay, we have that. Yeshancha Duryodhanadinam, of these Duryodhana etc., you were Bahumataha. Bahumataha, Bahubhihi Gunaihi Yuktaha Ityevam Bahumataha. They know that you are endowed with many great qualities. You possess many great qualities. Bahubhihi, with many, Gunaihi, noble qualities, Yuktaha, endowed with, Ityevam Bahumataha. Because of that, you were respected by those people. You were held at high esteem by those people. They thought highly about you. So, Bahumato Bhutva, being Bahumata for a while, Punaha, later on, Yasyasi Laghavam. Laghavam means Laghubhavam. You will lose respect. Laghava literally means, having no weight. No weight. Very lightweight is a Laghava. Mean, you will become lowly. Means you will lose respect. Laghavam yasyasi. You will attain a disrespectful status. Avachyavadanscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samarthyam tato dukkhatarannu kim. Bhagavan further elaborates on the disadvantages associated with withdrawal from the war. Tava ahitaha, your enemies, Duryodhana and so on. Tava samarthyam nindantaha, they will condemn your samarthya, your ability. They will criticize your ability. And bahun avachyavadanscha vadishyanti, they will speak many unutterable words. Avachyavadan, words that should not be spoken. They will speak about you. Avachya, when we talk about Brahman, Also, we say avachya. Brahman is avachya. What is the meaning avachya? Na vachyam avachyam. Brahman is not vachya, means it does not become vachyartha of any word. That is another meaning of avachya. But then there is another avachya. The word that should not be spoken is avachya. Abusive words. Avachyavadan vadishyanti. They will speak unutterable words. The words that are put with some stars in between, they are avachyavadan. Okay. The first letter and the last letter, in between stars, such words are avachyavada. Vadishyanti, they will speak. Tataha dukkhataram no kim. What can be more painful than this? Avachyavadan avaktavyavan cha bahun aneka prakaran vadishyanti tava ahitaha shatravaha nindantaha kutsayantaha tava tvadiyam samarthyam nivatakavachadi yuddha nimittam tasmat tataha ninda praptehe dukkhat dukkhataram nu kim tataha kashtataram dukkham nastityarthaha. Avachyavadan is equal to kincha. There is a kincha before. Kincha, moreover. Avachyavadan is equal to avaktavyavan. Words that should not be spoken. Bahun, many. Aneka prakaran, various kinds of. There are many avachyavadas. If you go outside, you might hear avachyavadas. In the ashram, it may not be audible. People generally don't speak such words inside in such ambience. We are supposed to be careful about using our words. So don't speak avachyavadas. So when you are a Vedanta student, we have to change our language also. The language that we used in other places, maybe in your previous life, in the college, university, or school, with the friends, the same language cannot be used once you have come to Vedanta. अवाच्यवादान् बहून् अनेक प्रकारान् वदिष्यन्ति तव अहिताः. Who will say? Who will speak such words? Tava ahitaha. Your ahitaha is equal to shatravaha. Your enemies. Nindantaha is equal to kutsayantaha. Condemning. Condemning what? Tava samarthyam. Your samarthya. Tava is equal to tvadiyam, belonging to you. Tvadiyam samarthyam, your ability. All your great accomplishments, they will criticize them. Samarthyam nivatakavachadi yuddha nimittam samarthyam. Your samarthya, your ability, which enabled you to fight Nivatakavacha, etc. Arjuna fought Nivatakavachas. It is a part of the story of Mahabharata, where Indra takes help of Arjuna to defeat a group of Rakshasas, a group of Asuras called Nivatakavacha. Even Indra could not fight them on himself. He had to take Arjuna's help. And Arjuna successfully defeated them. That was his samarthya. And it was one incident. There are many such incidents before Mahabharata war. If you look into Mahabharata, Adi Parva as well as Vana Parva, you will find many such accomplishments of Arjuna. He fought a Gandharva called Chitraratha and defeated him. And then there was fight with Indra also. So there were many episodes of Mahabharata where Arjuna shows his valor even before the war of Mahabharata, war of Kurukshetra. And it is well known. And also, Arjuna single-handedly defeated all the Dhartarashtras, even before the beginning of Mahabharata war. In Virata Parva, when the Dhartarashtras came and took away the cows of Virata, each one was defeated already once. So that is Arjuna's samarthya. And it is well known. But if Arjuna runs away now, everyone will say, what is the use of all his valor? Tava samarthyam nindantaha nivatakavachadi yuddha nimittam samarthyam. His samarthya, his prowess, his ability which facilitated, which enabled him to fight Nivatakavacha and many other enemies. Tasmat tataha ninda praptehe dukkhat dukkataram no kim tataha kashtataram dukkham नास्ति इत्यर्थः। तस्मात् therefore ततः निंदा प्राप्तेः, ततः is equal to निंदा प्राप्तेः, ततः refers to निंदा प्राप्तेः। Getting such निंदा, getting such receiving such criticism, दुःखतरं नु किम, दुःखात्, निंदा प्राप्ति gives दुःख, निंदा प्राप्तेः दुःखात्, the dukkha brought about by ninda prapti, receiving such criticism. Dukkataram nu kim, what else can be more painful than this? Means tataha kashtataram dukkham nasti ityarthaha. There cannot be any greater pain than the dukkha of receiving such criticism. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः। Now, Bhagavan tells Arjuna that if he fights the war, he is not going to lose anything. Instead, whether he wins or loses the war, he is going to be the gainer in both possibilities. In a war, there are chances that Arjuna might get killed also. Anybody can get killed in a war. Then is not Arjuna a loser? Bhagavan says, no. Even if he gets killed, he is not going to be a loser, because he will get swarga. Hato va prapsyasi swargam. Hato va. If he is hataha. So va indicates one possibility. Hataha. Swargam prapsyasi, you will attain swarga. Jitva va bhokshase mahim, jitva va, the other possibility. Jitva, being victorious. Mahim bhokshase, you will enjoy the kingdom. Tasmat, therefore, you are not going to lose anything if you fight. Yuddhaya kritanishchayaha uttishta. Yuddhaya kritanishchayaha. Making a decision to fight, resolving to fight the war. Uttishta, stand up. Arjuna is sitting. Rathopastha upavishat. Bhagavan says, Uttishtha, get up and fight. In Bhagavad Gita, in many places, Bhagavan uses the word Uttishtha. Uttishtata jagrata prapya varan nibodhata. Uttishtha is a message in Bhagavad Gita. Kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvottishta parantapa. Stand up, because our natural tendency is not to stand up, it is to lie down. In the morning, when the alarm bell rings, even then, our natural tendency is to continue to sleep. The alarm bell cannot wake you up. It can only give you an indication, now it is time to wake up. But it cannot make you wake up. Then what will make you wake up? Nothing can make you wake up other than yourself. One has to make use of one's willpower. Always there is a tug of war between our natural impulses and the voice of Viveka. The voice of Viveka tells, wake up. It is time to wake up. It is good to wake up early. The voice of Viveka says so. Even when the alarm bell rings, there is a voice of Viveka. What is right and what is wrong, we know. But then there is a voice of impulse, voice of weakness, voice of natural tendencies. No, don't wake up. You can enjoy sleep for a while. Then there is a tug of war between the two. And most often the Viveka loses. And that is why Krishna says, Uttishtha. Even in the morning, there is a Suprabhatam. Uttishtha, Uttishtha Govinda, Uttishtha Garudadhvaja. Uttishtha Narashardula, Kartavyam Daivamanhikam. So, Uttishtha is a message to everyone to withstand one's natural tendencies and use one's willpower for one's own growth. Uddhared atmanatmanam. Uplift yourself by yourself. Atmana atmanam uddharet. Atmanam uddharet. Uplift yourself. And who will uplift me? Nobody else can. Atmana, by yourself. Until I resolve to get up, nobody can wake me up. Until I resolve to discipline myself, nobody can discipline me. Until I resolve to improve myself, nobody can improve me. Therefore, the spiritual pursuit is a pursuit of self-discipline, a pursuit which requires enormous amount of self-discipline, enormous amount of willpower. So, तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. सीदभाष्य. युद्धे पुनः क्रियमाणे कर्णादिभिः हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं हतः सन् स्वर्गं प्राप्स्यसि जित्वा वा कर्णादीन् शूरान् भोक्ष्यसे महीं युद्धे पुनः क्रियमाणे. So far up to the previous shloka, Bhagavan explained the disadvantages involved in withdrawal. Now, punaha, on the other hand, yuddhe kriyamani, if Arjuna fights with the Karna, etc. Karnadibhihi yuddhe kriyamani. If Arjuna fights with Karna and other people, then hatova prapsyasi swargam. Hataha san, being killed, getting killed in the war, swargam prapsyasi, you will get swarga. Because he has done punya by performing his swadharma in the form of yuddha. Jitva va karnadin, or the other option, karnadin jitva, defeating Karna and other people, Shuran, who are Shura, who are heroes. Even Karna and other people are heroes. Mahim bhokshase. Mahim means bhumim. Mahi means bhumihi. Earth, kingdom. Bhokshase, you will enjoy. Ubhayathapi tava labha eva ityabhiprayaha. Ubhayathapi, in both possibilities. Tava labha eva, you will have only labha, you will have only gain. Ityabhiprayaha, this is the purport of Bhagavan. Yataha evam tasmat uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nishchayaha jeshyami shatrun marishyami va iti निश्चयं कृत्वा इत्यर्थः. यतः एवं, since it is so. Tasmat, therefore, हे Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः, resolving to fight, And how should he make a resolution? Jayashyami Shatrun. Either I will kill the enemies, conquer the enemies, or Marishyamiva, or else I'll die. Do or die. Va iti nishchayam kritva, making such a resolve, uttishta, stand up, wake up, use your willpower and fight. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.